Martin Luther King, Barack Obama, it shows that it has really been change, a big change. Like, even if it's a little change, it's a big change. We have a black president. Oh my goodness.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
It's important to come back to this event because we want to make sure that people acknowledge history that's being made on the 80th birthday of Martin Luther King this month, as well as MLK Day and the inauguration of our 44th President, Barack Obama.
Living in 2008 with all that's happened, especially Barack Obama getting into office, I mean, this is what Martin Luther King wanted. Like, this is his dream right here, and it's important to acknowledge that and celebrate it because without him, I mean, this wouldn't have been possible at all, so.
Significance is really to bring people out to remind them, to celebrate, to commemorate the accomplishments that Dr. King made years ago.
His inauguration is like a symbol. It's like a symbol of what Martin Luther King was trying to get us to. So,
because I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today